Abusia chama Wontumi lawyer kasa, chama Wontumi lawyer wadi nkomo, chama Wontumi lawyer and we break silence. Na abusia silence we break no. Ama areho e na hye ye chama. Chama Wontumi MPP Ashanti Regional Chama. Na abusia was pray for a national chama. Na abusia me first akonya we some akwa basonko so efa wo emra channel so ha. E da so aye be media je chama se be so ase ene dey di kwani channel so ni dey no bu kwan so ye be so ase. Obe subscribe e di amaye bobo notification bell no so. For more podcast updates. Na busia de nkomo na akoso de na si de na ba de na eye Wontumi lawyer de aba about ama ayem hihye atumi aka eye ye chama ba ko pe a enya asem kuto yiti nkomo ne mu eye emra sese ha eye ba media
appeal. There's also your file application for stay of proceedings. And it says court no was na yenko appeal no. We appeal no. The appeal because we see no san ya bakoto. This application at the home. It's imagine all things being equal. And then and kabibia it be easy. Na yenka say you be move motion no for stay of proceedings now. Ya court no be kanu. So mo gitumu a na atweso. So mo anya ntumu a the game plan say you be appeal against that decision. And the SSA case na court no kasa say ya appeal no grounds of appeal no they file also additional grounds of appeal. The appeal has what the grounds will be. And then you ruling no baby dear that green uncle ye auntie
the
appeal. It's in there grounds be a the appeal no the filing in there. But I could meet me I can say there was one ground cry say court no say you mu no there no actually say Chairman Wontumi ne Akroma mines omo abeti betterment of the crime to say omoeboy ma adi okum omo ko asase no so koye galamsi court wa accused persons emie ya no ruling no e wo musa e no kire say de na emra hwehwe no tiase amenya adwuma so wo case ni say they are guilty of abetment etina appeal court no ye ba be debut e de case get dano a say ye bu asem sabe no ni ejemu na nye asebua ene emra hwehwe na hwehwe say sebo mo ka no nyina so mo na say nyina so ni enti sa ruling na ba ye no ase ya timu no enkoyi enti behwe na de no so ye grounds of appeal na court kese no ya appeal court no enso ehwe se na ba bia ye duro no a accused persons emie ya no sa conclusion na necessary or otherwise enti abusan for da mo ase se ne da bia mo boye
One can't share me or catch will be for. Oh, tell me, I'm saying, my for training. I am paying. No, yeah, good afternoon. Yes, as I suggested to you in the early afternoon, there has been a motion to stay the proceedings pending the interlocutory appeal. We were told in court that the court has received such an application, and the Attorney General also confirmed that they have also been served with the application. Indeed, the return date on the motion was 16th of April, but the court thinks that they need to abridge the time. 3 days were suggested to us, all of which were not convenient for us. So we pray the court for a date subsequent to the date recommended by the court. And therefore, we finally agreed to come back on the 2nd of May at 9 o'clock. April at 9 o'clock for the motion to be taken. So the expectation is that when the motion is taken, the results will determine the next line of action. 2 possibilities. One of it would be the court upholding our motion and staying proceedings. The next would be the court probably saying, dismissing the motion and ordering the accused person to open his defense. Either way, we will have a strategy going forward. And it is our belief that in a criminal trial of this nature, if there is an appeal against a decision that can bring the proceedings to an end, it is only natural that one must think of handling the appeal and seeing to the results of the appeal before we proceed. But we are in a very challenging times. So the other possibility would be for the court to also abridge the time. Indeed, the surprise that we had was that there was a suggestion that we should move the motion today. And technically it is not possible because the filing of the application does not suggest the council's preparation for the movement of the motion on the day. So it was very alien to us for that request to be met. So we challenged it that we are not ready to move the motion today. Albeit that everybody, all the parties say that they have only just received the motion. In any case, Attorney General has waived his rights of an affidavit in opposition, and therefore, on record, Attorney General will not bring any affidavit in opposition to our motion. So we will come and move the motion on the 2nd and wait for the results of the application. Thank you very much and have a good afternoon.
Last time I know a bit when him said court ruling or the buyer no na ye hwese yen sabeka ruling no bi na ye dosuko akenkamu na ye hu anamo a ye betu anamo a ye tu and say ye filing your friend interlocutory appeal against the ruling a court no ma ye efa submission of no case to answer no ehun enunti ya sign aye nkrata ye motion aye de abedom court to say before I beko court of appeal na court of appeal atie say submission of no case na judge no anyantum no court of appeal bejatum ana say onyentum no ye de enkrata abedom court say nka court no ntwentwen so enkosi say ye behu de bepie e de free appeal no na nkrata no ne court ajatum say nensa aka ne nkrata attorney general enso so ensa aka ne de eye enne de yayi enunti na date was no 16th of next month, which is April. Na court no ye ne say Wontumi say obetumi atwe aba animu. Enti watwe e de aba animu abesi 2nd of April, which is yawoda ebe enne na watwe pepepe. Enti sada na ye beba na ya be move sa application na ye de abedom court say ontwentwen so wa bra ye court of appeal na yakotie the Court of Appeal ebeka efa the rule na omaye no Attorney General say the lawyer kan no ama court ate say on file nkrata OTM na mom ye ba court a wa asem bi efa emra kwan so a na waka e de akire court nti on the second ene ebeba na yabe move sa application for stay of proceedings pending the determination of our appeal at the Court of Appeal against the ruling on the submission of no case to answer. Thank you.
Ashanti Regional Minister Okasa Basabasa. Ne kasa less. O say ono or the TikTok begu MPP. Also the social media begu MPP. And also yebi. But you see, oh yeah, there yen ye. Adia na o attribute to who say wo dey and why they see ye. Who built that interchange? Onameka say President Mahama they see interchange into your painting you're wrong. And moreover, students now who use womo ADS a painting, you know. What is dear no ya because really obi wo school no yes adwuma na child labor anameboa who school no be found yes adwuma na child labor say child labor. 2 dear na what is the incentive? Are you using them to get glory? Enti yenhwe issues ni yie na yenhwe painting na omo ye no wa hwe ade ni nyina painting na ye ofe no mana ye no venue ho no senia ho nyina ate no senia arrange painting no creative wise was it appealing? I think say wrong say obi be yes say obe say na say bibi, but again say with the development ekoye politics now we now the DMPP for any ewo kromu ho then that one you don't call anybody's blame, you blame yourself. Say oye sa de no nko ade you call for yourself. So I don't want anybody to say NMPP for no. The honorable needs to create job for the people. Mu ho mo tizuba creative art school there no kan ho a whole your friend is saying a boss on creative arts na say school no kra wan tiase creative art na ngasa on tiase obi o chasing ma from market eno adwuma be no ye on say bibia abo no hwe politics a strategy governance a continuous is about harmonizing the people and using creative to drive it. So if the creative arts and tourism aspect no air like here, don't blame us. Mama kasa oba di obeye digital terrestrial TV ye beye event free wo ho obeye ye beye event ni nya wo ho na yetua nkrofo ewan o kasa wo ye creative na wo use national theatre ye be ma o discount akosi sen o si obesi theatre e wo Kumasi akosi sen ye wo your friend is saying Munko trade fair 20,000 capacity auditorium conference auditorium esiwo ya abandon no o se okosi fufuro omu hia 30 million akosi fufuro e government odwen Munko hwe normal mama promise youth normal na o kan no youth manifesto normal na o kan no ice cream any stress free. It is alleged say students at World University UCC first batch obi enya sika ni bi aden so munhwe normal na air course no any normal air con eno nsem na make enti say if you want to use a creative to grow people invest in them. Movie in Kumasi is gone. Messi esiedu ne nkrofo ba ma obeye dededi na chi enanye kono omokono. How many movies have been produced in Ghana? And how is our creative state? The creative is now very expensive. It's very expensive to go for an event. In modern day, it is very expensive so between our event. Ain't it no more?
Okay, last weekend, I mean, Shatawale and Stoneboy, GFA, FIFA World Cup fundraising lunch and all. I mean, as a creative person, you want me stage as well. I mean, after donating onto the fund, afterwards, and commodity APP. Now, some commodity to say Stoneboy, say, or
MPP no. Inti yesu ye betu ye ho ban me enne bibia wo Stoneboy wo me hu bia madelete Stoneboy anyum bia madelete anything beam I don't want to associate myself because of opportunists. MPP for boa okay stadium sensem na e ba mo hu se MPP for boa no Gabi now ne Gambi di akone aba chese wo de we ye ni birifo Shatta has always been consistent. So ni MP before nam, obeka just on MP before nam. Oni NDC before nam, oni NDC before nam. Onye motoro mojo. Ave na original radio su chechiri mu. O say enyom no tie enyuma, o say na anu e na akofa baaye. O say na anu e na akofa e flag bearer baaye, ene MPP baaye, ene enu ani ye jejireje. Ene ye elections how many years ni? Enye 2 years ni. Na oba be kan we a kire. See e jimifo. Na me metu MPP for say o yesu amamonko awards no mamun vote Stone ye bibi amonti mu humfiri hu because he's ungrateful because one day beba obeka chaw say o supporting na be prove say o supporting what you say.
Well, that means as musicians and as actors no obi ntimi nyina ne mo ntira party
ubetumi aye ba ma enye motoro mojo you can support any party you want but I didn't know what you say no person proving who chair mama o no person I say mama Shatawale na wajina atu no me adwuma chen no. That was what he was trying to say. Shatta so no need competition. You are always trying to bring competition where no competition. Shatta ma $100,000. Also I say 100,001. Me kra ni say. Ave na onam radio station yichire mu. Ya ti ase ye hu de e wo ka no. Na pass ye event. MPP ye event. Na matese ye Boston bo anum. This e kofa okukpe ngom kofa okole num. Now, you don't say that. You don't go by that tangent. He needs to apologize for that statement because he's ungrateful. Party national, penny party marshal. Where did you go? And then what done? I could do no chichi from. You will come my beshe. Here we all day. Accra we day. We go see. Me anything Shatawale, I'm not interested in. Onya sense na mikebi manu. Say Stoneboy say omwa beso neche so onyansa che obia we all know that not everybody can be has protocol, not everybody can be has, not everybody can be. Yes, me I be Shatawale, I will over be Shatawale. Anything Stoneboy be yawa give me, everything Stoneboy be fake, you know, be original. That's how no person you call no. You don't speak ill about a party or a person who has helped you. We don't do that. Politics is a game, but you use your head, not bipolar.
Okay.